Hey friends, if you wish to quickly resize images using the Windows Photos app, then please watch this video. Now I have a photo here and earlier we had shortcuts to resize it, but not now. Okay, you can use this magnifying glass, but that's a different thing. Okay, so to resize it, click on these three dots here and select resize image. So one thing is about the pixels. I can change it to 1080 and the aspect ratio will be maintained, and I can change the file type to PNG, which I believe is high, and then click on save, and then I can save it accordingly, or I can simply change it to the percentage. Okay, let me change it to 10%. And as for quality, you will be knowing that JPG's quality is 80% that of PNG, and there are other formats also which are good enough, but JPG is a little lighter format. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.